guys, so punta kami sa baler bukas and I have a pack on and hashtag this is a bag for baler hashtag from actually galing kami sa mall kayo. Bumili kami ng mga stuff and bumili ako ng hopefully squishies, diaries, parang sa adventure. So go! So this kami doon. So go! Ito yung bag. Actually, I have this before. So, don't worry. Ito, 79 pesos. From Watson. And cream. Cream siya. Yan. And ito yung mukha niya. Cream. Cream yan. So, it's a little out the back. Read the back. It pops off. Pero, pwede ko na yung i-replace. So, yeah. That's okay. Ito, yung little pocket, walang laman. Trusty. Sorry pag na-break to, kasi it's like breakable, so that's okay. By the way, nag-shop din kami sa iba't ibang store. Connect din namin sa adventhure kung meron na, So, ito yung binili ko sa mall. Mamaya na dresses ko. Ito yung binili sa mall. Also, bumili kami ng squishies. Oh, I won't forget my little squishies. So, ito yung unang binili namin sa mall na squishy. So, it's a Earth squishy. Guys, 15 pesos lang ito. If you go to first floor, gaganon, diba? Ito yung opening. Gaganon ka. Gaganon, ganon, ganon. So, sa may dito, yun na. Tapos may mga little na ito, pero ito na yung last na big. Big na yung binili ko kasi sa little. So, ito na yung little. Yan. Mostly everything. And I also, guys, binili ko to see small dino egg from Clipper. It's only 39 pesos and 75. Yan, dalawa sila. I'm gonna try this out. So, yeah. Kala ko una, ano siya, squishy eggs, pero hindi pala. Really cheap and beautiful. So, yeah. Oh, sorry. Plating is bad today, Bessie. But, yan. So, saan na binili ko? Squishies din. Ito yung pinaka-slow rising sa buong collection ko. This one, super slow rising. Nakikita mo. Wait. Yan, slow rising na. I preferred, binili ko yung dalawa na, yung isa na to sa National for 37 pesos and 75. So, 75 centavos, which is, centavos means, I don't know. I just got my brain washed away. Kasi, ang dami nilang squishies. Pero ako bumili yung squishies talaga. So, ito yung susunod. Guys, ito rin, slow rising din siya. But in different color. I make sure na bumili ko yung pinaka-slow rising nila. Ito yung susunod. May ano ko, yellow neto. Dadalhin ko rin. Yan. Pintesan. Yan, dalawa na yan. Ito yung susunod. Yes. So, ito, super slow rising din siya. I have pink version, but wala ngayon dito. So, bye-bye, pink. Is this all? Yes. Ito, parang diary to read. Notes, ganun. Diary notes, Ito, meant to be siya na, okay, hindi talaga siya dapat may tape na ganito. Nasira ko siya dito sa bahay. Hindi ko siya nasira dun sa, nabili ko rin to sa National. Ito sabi, emoji G-list. Tapos mga notes, pwede mo i-notes, Ito naman, ito. 5 things that make me feel. Yan. So, yan. Pwede mo mag-take notes. Tapos may notebook din. Ito, my emoji mood journal. Guys, $1.99 lang to. Of the limit. Yan. Yan mga meaning ng mga emojis. Tapos ito yung mga quizzes. Yan. Tapos pwede mo mag-note. Ito yung necklace that I will be showing. I was so energetic when I got this. Itong necklace na to, hearty face. Ang ganda. I think, pag, all, na ako sa YouTube, mag-giveaway ako ng isa neto. Bibili pa ako ng isa ng ganito, and giveaway ko pag naka 1,000 ganun subscribers na ako. The next one is this mini emoji notes. So, yan. Ito yung mga things na binili ko sa mall. Balik na natin. Guys, by the way, sorry for like the bad lighting, flashlight lang. Kasi, bad lighting talaga pag wala, I wish na kahanap rin ako ng ring light. Pero sa Divisoria yata. Pupunta ako yata. Susunod, bibihay pa kami. By the way, I am nowhere close to the Divisoria. I'm the LIC, so. Pero did I show you this? I don't know, but it's comfy for like pillow stuff. So yeah, for traveling. But by the way, if you're wondering, I think I said this before, but we're going to baler. So I'm gonna show you my bathing suit. I can't wear that bikini's on top. I'm not gonna that shell girl. So una yung short na to, I think it's really so cute. So binili ko na rin siya. And this cat says meow. Pala. Napaka-cute niya. Tapos mga ibang clothes to. Yeah, that's all. So, yeah, yun yung madadaling ko bukas. And sana maka 20 likes to. Please, I want there to be a really good YouTuber so I can really film everyday life. And I'm gonna be trying to vlog in the lock while we're in the car to travel. So please get this. Okay, I know I can't do this, but 100 likes just wanna happen. And if you want to like win this or this, give me 20 likes. If this gets 20 likes, I'll be giving away one of these, which is one of these. Tell me what you want, a color, and yeah. And also, if I got 20 likes, I'll give this. So, I'll give this, but not mine, but I'll give it like a different color. So, by the way, let's go, because I have a lot of to clean by now. So, bye, and hope you guys enjoyed. Press the subscribe button. It's that good, and make sure to like my videos. And I know I have no professional feelings about YouTube. But peace out, YouTube. Bibbidi but